And doesn't that bring a tingle to your spine? The campaign to keep this aeroplane airborne, or rather to get it airborne in the first place, when everybody was saying it could never be done, it wasn't going to happen. The place was full of naysayers and doom mongers. But in 2007 she flew again on a most extraordinary day from Bruntingthorpe. The Heritage Lottery Fund had given her £2.7 million. They said, first of all, we don't do things that move, but they were persuaded. And since then it's cost another, well, it's become a total of £10 million to get her to this stage, and she still costs £2 million a year to run.